We have a quick and yummy neck and upper back mobility practice for you today. And a long exhale out together. And if it feels right for you today, you might close the eyes as we breathe in together here. And breathe out together. And one more time, just like this. Inhale in. Shoulders are relaxing down. If it feels good, you can close your eyes here, feeling that deep stretch on the left side of the neck. And then drawing the chin to the chest and taking it to the other side. Slowly, gently, left ear to left shoulder. You can close your eyes here if it feels good. Think about your shoulder blades coming together and melting down. Inhaling deeply and exhale. One more time to each side, so take it to the right. This time you have two options. You might find some soft, easy movement by lifting the chin up and down. Then release, slowly bring it through center and take it to the other side. Maybe nodding the head, the chin up and down. And then the other, reverse it. And then exhale, round through the spine, chin to chest. Think about drawing that chin really in towards the chest. Inhale, right elbow is going to open up towards the sky. And then exhale, come right back to where you started. Bring the knees a little bit wider and the big toes to touch. So just creating a little bit of a wider base in the legs. Inhale, right fingertips reach up towards the sky. Exhale, rotate from the thoracic all the way through into the twist. Soft bend in the right elbow, left fingertips to the temple. Inhale, we open up through the left wing this time. Beautiful, both hands come to the earth. Let's widen the knees, bring the big toes to touch. Inhale, left fingertips reach all the way up towards the sky. Neck is nice and long. Maybe walking the right hand out or finding what feels good with the right hand. You have options. And after your third breath, inhale in, use the exhale to come all the way back to all fours. Exhale, slowly lower the chest, draw the shoulder blades together, squeeze. Exhale as you roll, feeling the length in the left side of the neck. Slide the right arm through, resting on the shoulder and the temple. Cross the arms at the elbows, finding eagle arms to broaden the upper back. Inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, draw them in toward the belly. Unwind the arms, give them a little shake, and just feel that blood flow return. Open the arms wide into a cactus shape, drawing the shoulder blades together behind you. And now the other side, keep both sit bones grounded as you reach. Squeeze them up to the ears and then let them go with a big sigh. Fold forward just as much as feels good, letting the head hang heavy to stretch the back. Breathe into the twist, imagining the spine growing taller with every inhale. Think about pulling the chin straight back to align the ears over the shoulders. Find some organic movement here, just swaying the hips and feeling into the side body. If the floor feels far away, use a block to support the forehead and let the neck relax. Press the head into the hand, engaging the muscles of the neck for a few seconds. Let's find some big circles with the arms, opening up the range of motion in the shoulders. Place the fists at the low back And imagine the elbows trying to touch behind you. Reach the opposite hand away from the head to feel that line of tension release. While you're here in tabletop, just let the head be heavy and find some easy movement. Come into Sphinx pose, pulling the chest forward through the gates of the shoulders. Place the right hand behind you to keep that shoulder from hiking up during the stretch. Draw big circles with the shoulders, really feeling the shoulder blades move on the back. Feel the breath moving into the back of the body, expanding the ribs wide. Keep the back of the neck long as you reach in opposite directions, finding stability. Inhale to open. Exhale to thread halfway through, keeping the movement active. Slowly roll the head in a full circle, noticing any little tight spots as you go. Look down toward your right hip or armpit to find that specific stretch in the back of the neck. Press the backs of the hands together, fingers pointing down for a gentle wrist release. If it feels okay for your neck today, you might rest the chin on the mat, looking forward. Lift the hips high and back, pedaling out the feet as you find length in the spine. Try to keep the hips and shoulders as still as possible as you tap. Feel the back of the neck grow long as you tuck the chin toward the chest. Walk the shoulders underneath you, lifting the chest toward the chin. Maintain the arm bind as you add a little twist, feeling the stretch move into the shoulder blade. Keep the chin level as you slide the ears side to side, like a dancer. Inhale as you rotate, reaching those left fingertips high to open the chest. Draw circles with your shoulder blades, trying to keep the elbows locked. Firmly press the head back into the hands while maintaining a tall spine. Lift the right, then the left, alternating to find some freedom in the trapezius. Reach forward, reach out to the side, maintaining a flat back throughout. Let the whole spine circle like you're scraping the inside of a barrel. Gently rest on the backs of the hands, being very careful with the weight as you stretch. One final breath together. Inhale up, exhale down, and feel your energy ground.